in today's video as we head to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. After this, we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom because it's a party. It's a party night, so it's probably gonna be empty. Not empty, but less crowded. Me and Marcia, we're gonna go on Hollywood Tower of Terror. This is what I like about Disney. It's always like, oh my god, I'm so scared. Alana, can you tell me what happened? Hello everyone, welcome to the Marcantel Family channel. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Bisma and today I'll be sharing day 2 of our Disney World trip. So today we are heading to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below. Today we woke up at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. It's a Princess and the Frog themed room. They just renovated all the rooms. This is a moderate resort, but the way they renovated these rooms, it actually looks like a deluxe resort. So it's really beautiful with really nice Disney details, like you'll find like a Tiana crown and stuff like that. So it's really amazing. So we basically had to request this room because they were still renovating some of the other rooms. So sometimes if you really need something and if you ask Disney, if you request it to them, they'll try their best to make it happen, and usually it does happen. So we got ready and we're now gonna go have breakfast at a quick service restaurant in French Quarter. Pasia, this way. So yeah, last night we got in really late, so it was a little crazy. So I did a quick room tour, and then yeah, after this we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom because it's a party. It's a party night, so it's probably gonna be empty. Not empty, but less crowd during the day. And then after that we're gonna do Hollywood Studios. Yay! I'm a little tired, but the exterior of this resort is so beautiful and it looks exactly like New Orleans. My husband Stuart, you guys probably saw him in the other videos. He is from Louisiana and we go to New Orleans quite often. That's where we got married as well. So this resort is very special. I can't believe this is like the first time I stayed here. It's really nice, and we loved it. So after we got ready, got out of the room, we headed towards the quick service at this resort so we could grab some breakfast. And yeah, I just can't get over how nice like this area is. So the name of the food court, the quick service dining option at French Quarter is Sassagoula, Floatworks and Food Factory. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. They had a lot of options, and like they had the usual breakfast like the Mickey waffles and sausages and eggs and stuff like that, but they had like other stuff as well. And even for like dinner and stuff, they had like gumbo and like basically like Louisiana, like southern food. And we didn't try like the gumbo and the jambalaya and stuff like that, maybe next time. But the breakfast was good too, and it was Alana really loved it, and I could get her like cereal, fruits, whatever she needed. But yeah, wherever I stay at a Disney resort, I need to have the Mickey waffles. It's like my favorite thing. You like it? After we finished breakfast, we headed towards the main lobby area, and then you have to basically go through the lobby in order to go towards the front, so you can go towards the bus stops. There are 2 bus stops, so so we had to go through the lobby, and the lobby is so beautiful. Like, I love the little fountain that they have, and this was all decorated for Christmas, so it looked even nicer. I love seeing like different types of Christmas decorations, so this was really nice. And Alana loved the fountain as well. We gave her some coins and she just threw them in and made wishes. So as you can see, my sisters are waiting so we can get on the bus. This resort is quite small, so it's really easy to go to places and not get lost. So we took the bus and headed towards Magic Kingdom. That was our first stop. We arrived there around 11:20 p.m. We had a late start because we were really tired, and we wanted to make sure we got enough sleep. So we're at Magic Kingdom now, and today is a party night, so we're hoping it's gonna be a little empty, but we'll see. Yesterday we came to Magic Kingdom during sunset, so it was like a different kind of view with the sun going down, and it was like golden and it was beautiful. And like right now we came earlier and it's still beautiful. All the decorations look amazing, and this is like my favorite part of entering Magic Kingdom, when you walk in and you see the castle and the Dapper Dance performing. I just love it. How wonderful is this view? I wish I could just wake up to this view every single day. I just love walking in, seeing these balloons and the castle. I don't know, it's just so magical. After walking through Main Street, we walked towards the castle and we wanted to take our mandatory picture. But this time we wanted to take a picture so that not a lot of people were in the background, so we went right there. You can just go to these areas. It's on the left and the right side of the castle, and you can take gorgeous pictures of just you and the castle in the back. So as we were taking our pictures, we realized that the show Mickey's Magical Friendship Fair started. So as we were right there, we were right next to it. It was perfect. So we headed towards like the front area, and this show basically has 5 different times throughout the day, so you can check the My Disney Experience app and you can find out about the different times. So even if you miss the first one, you have 4 other times that you can go and watch this show. And Alana really enjoyed it because there were like many different characters like Elsa, Tiana, Mickey and Friends, and many more.
Every day with you is the best day ever. Oh, Mickey.
the show, we headed towards Haunted Mansion. We didn't have a lightning lane for it, but the wait was only 25 minutes, and honestly, it just took us like 10 minutes. And the reason why we didn't have any lightning lanes for Magic Kingdom was because we had some lightning lanes lined up for Hollywood Studios for later. So yeah, it took us hardly any time to go in the front of the line. This time they didn't have like that part of the Haunted Mansion where the walls kind of stretch. I think it wasn't working or something. So yeah, I was kind of sad about that. But yeah, I was excited to be in the Haunted Mansion. So after the Haunted Mansion, we headed towards the It's a Small World ride. We just tried to get everything done today, like the ones that had shorter lines. This trip, we planned to go to Magic Kingdom 3 times, so we did a little each day. So as usual, It's a Small World is always a fun time, and Alana loves it. Alana loves seeing all the dolls and everything, and I really like it too because, I don't know, it just makes me really happy, and it's a Disney classic. So I love this ride, and it's a good way to rest as well. If your feet are hurting, definitely get on It's a Small World, and it's a long ride, so you can just rest a little bit and enjoy. Another reason why I love this ride is because it sends a message to your kids that we share this world together, and despite all our differences, we are all connected, and that we should live together peacefully. After finishing It's a Small World, we decided to do another slow, long ride. So we decided to do the perfect ride, the People Mover. That's the perfect ride to just sit and catch a breeze. We were just so tired from the night before, so this was perfect, and Alana loves this ride. So I wanted to mention that there was less of a crowd because it was a party night. It wasn't as crowded as like the usual days. Like right now it was like Christmas time, so there should have been more people, but since it was a party night, there were less people. While we were sitting on the People Mover, Alana kept on asking us about a princess dress because she saw those kids with like the princess dresses and stuff, and I was like, yeah, we can sure get you a princess dress. So we decided to go to Sir Mickey's because I know they also give kids free pixie dust. So we got there, and we got her Jasmine dress, and she got some pixie dust on her head. So it was very magical. So definitely check out Sir Mickey's if you want some free pixie dust. They are located right next to the Princess Fairy Tale Hall.
So many magical sparkles.
Yay! Look,
You don't know. I feel a difference. Not too magical.
Wow, you look so pretty, like a princess. Now you're gonna buy a dress?
Yeah.
Okay. After getting her the dress, Alana really wanted to wear it, so I changed her and I put on the Jasmine dress, and she was so excited. She was taking pictures and she looked just like a princess, and I bet she felt like a princess because she is a princess. And then we headed towards the gate because we were ready to go to Hollywood Studios, but before that we stopped to get a picture with Mickey because there was hardly any line. The standby time was like really low, so we just walked in to take a few pictures with Mickey. After visiting Mickey, we headed to Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we just took the bus there. And it was just so beautiful. This is the first time I was seeing Hollywood Studios with their Christmas decorations, and they were so beautiful. Like, I honestly thought that the decorations here were better than the decorations at Magic Kingdom, but my sister was saying it's probably because it's a smaller park, so it looks like there's a lot. So maybe that's why it looks nicer, but I don't know. To me, it looked really nice, and I really loved the decoration. And it was so much fun to see all the different types of decorations at each Disney park.
So we're in Hollywood Studios now. Me and Basia, we're gonna go on Hollywood Tower of Terror, and then Barisa and Alana, they're gonna go on a Toy Story ride. And then we're gonna meet them, and yeah. So we're really excited.
My favorite part of Hollywood Studios is walking through Sunset Boulevard. That's where you can see the Hollywood Tower of Terror. I really love that view, especially at nighttime.
Basia, is this your favorite ride?
I love it so much.
Why?
I love the thrill.
It's also one of my most favorite rides because of the theming. It's so nicely decorated. This is what I like about Disney. It's always like very themed compared to other theme parks.
So the story behind this ride is that a storm strikes the Hollywood Tower of Terror, and it causes an elevator to vanish with passengers in it, so they go missing. And yeah, so that's what the experience is about. And as you can see, the lobby actually looks like a real hotel. They did so well with everything, and it includes like antiques and like replicas of like 1930s furniture and stuff. I just think it's like really cool how they decorated the interior. This ride, every time you get on it, it's like a different experience because you don't know how many times they're gonna drop you. So they say that the slogan for this ride is never the same fear twice. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool, and it's a different experience every time, so it makes it more fun.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Me too.
With mommy?
After the Tower of Terror, we wanted to do something with Alana, so we did the Toy Story Mania ride. That is always fun because you can compete, and Alana did so good. Alana loved it too. She always loves this, and it was a lot of fun until it broke down on us. So yeah, that kind of was sad that it broke down, but Disney was really nice, and they gave us like a fast pass, not a fast pass, but a lightning lane to use for some other ride. So that was pretty cool. What happened, Alana? Alana, can you tell everyone what happened?
Broken.
Marisa, are you excited to ride Slinky? Yes. We're gonna ride Slinky now, and then we're gonna grab some food and go sit for Fantastic.
The Slinky Dog ride is always a fun ride, and Alana was tall enough to ride it, but she didn't want to ride it because she wasn't feeling well. We both were coming down with the flu. We just didn't know it, so we weren't feeling well. But yeah, we had to call it a night and just go back to the hotel so Alana could rest. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and can't wait for the next video. Good night.